Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how do you create a folder in a Google Drive. Now let's get started. First, open your Google Drive apps, and after this, for create a folder, you just click on the box plus icon at the bottom, and then in here you just click on the folder. And now you can add the name is folder. Maybe I wanna remake this to it's my drive, my photos, maybe like this. And after this, in here you just click on the create and finish. This is the folder has been created, and then so that's how to create a folder in a Google Drive. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.